Hi guys, this is our channel Cook and Enjoy Recipes. This is Dr. Jaskiran. Here today we will learn about how to cook Matar Paneer Masala with the crispy and fried paneer. This I have taken oil in the pan. I have reached the temperature of the oil from medium to high, and this is the appropriate time to put paneer in this. I have taken certain freshly cut vegetables, four small size mini potatoes, and certain pods of peas. I have taken 8 large tomatoes, red. I have taken 2 onion, large, and certain amount of garlic and ginger. For preparing the saute tadka, I have taken certain oil in the pan and I will put zeera in it. Cumin seeds. I have ground the mixture of onion, ginger and garlic into a fine paste, and I have also made the tomato puree for preparing the dish. See guys, you have seen that cumin seed are in the pan and that are in the oil, and now it is a appropriate time to put tadka. So see guys, slowly put this mixture into the pan like this. I have added some amount of salt while grinding it, so that it will be cooked properly and it will also sharpen the blades of the mixture. Now saute them till golden brown. Side by side we will be frying cheese also. Putting the cheese into the pan, put the gas from high to medium. At medium flame, cheese will take some time to fry. So you can change according to your gas extensions from medium to high and high to medium, so that it can be fried quicker. Try to fry it at the high flame so that the cheese will not absorb excess oil. Guys, see our tadka has become light golden brown. Now it is the appropriate time to put some degi mirch, as it will give a bright red color. It makes the recipe look delicious. So we have to add small amount of degi mirch into it. After that, add tomato puree. See guys, I am adding tomato puree. It also contains 5 green chilies, as I have not added any coarsely ground red chili into it, so that is why I have added 5 green chilies into it, so it will add a spicy taste to it. Guys, this is a fried paneer or fried cheese. This will be added at the end of the preparation. Forget to add half a teaspoon of the turmeric powder to it. Add freshly cut coriander to it. Now this step will take a lot of time, at least half an hour, to cook the saute properly, so as your dish will be delicious. Cook until the oil oozes out of the sides of the container. Popping up of the bubbles means, guys, the masala is nearly cooked, so it is the appropriate time to add freshly cut vegetables into that. And you have also seen some oil is oozing out of the container like this. Now shake with gentle movements like this, so that the whole vegetables are going into the masala and they get mixed properly with masala like this. Now add certain amount of water if you want, and wait until it is again cooking for 5 or 10 minutes. Guys, I have turned the whole mixture into the pressure cooker for pressure cooking, so that it will be cooked within no time. And I have also told you my recipes are no time recipes, so these are suitable and comfortable for the people or the students living abroad, and the people who don't have time, large amount of time to cook the recipes and spend the whole day in that. So that is why. So if you want to cook it in no time, take the water in the pressure cooker 1 inches high, from the level of the vegetables, so that it can be cooked in 2 or 3 whistles. Basically our sabji is ready, so you can have it with the chapatis or pranthas or with lachha prantha itself. Thank you. Like and subscribe.